Hello everyone, this is Vivian Dean Valdez, the owner of VH Food and Travel Vlog, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a special package delivered and it just arrived today. I've been waiting these guys for a few days now and it finally arrived. So guys, if you remembered or anyone remembered my old fridge, it was getting too much because it was all crumpy inside, and I hate throwing things and food, so it's getting crumpy there. And so that's why I said I really need to upgrade my fridge. So today I just bought a new and bigger fridge. So that's why I'm very excited to show you everyone what kind of fridge I bought. This is one of the best brand here in Australia. So I choose the best one, I choose the best brand, and before I bought this, I did a survey and research on what kind of fridge that is best to use. And also, it's time to upgrade. And now I'm gonna show you what kind of fridge and brand I bought. Here it is. I get ready that space for you. Bosch 678 liters side-by-side fridge. This is my new and bigger one. The height is 1.7 meters and the width is 910 millimeters. It's extremely quiet. It has a non-spill safety glass shelves. That means when you pour or accidentally spill liquid, it won't make a mess. It stays on the shelves and easy to clean up. The compartment on both chiller and freezer are nice and deep that fit in a lot of stuff and still got more rooms for other things. It has a twist and serve ice maker. Just simply operate it and it's perfect for the summer, which make your drink extra cold. It also has an exterior digital temperature settings that separately control the chiller and the freezer, and an alarm that beep once you left the door open for a while. So it's very handy to use. Fridge is incredibly attractive, solid body, seems reliable and smart looking fridge. The white color of it matches the color of the fittings in my kitchen. Guys, I'll open the freezer side. It has a huge freezer and a frost freezer features. That means no ice can build up on the side or on the wall of the freezer. So this is the compartment on the door side. And now the chiller side. it's closed. So guys, I already plug it in the fridge, and now I'll show you, and it's time to turn it on. So we just have to wait for quite a while to let it cool. So if you hear something, this is starting now. So guys, this is the fridge temperature. So you can increase from here. So this is the fridge. You can increase from here. Is the coldest is the 2 degree, and this is the freezer side. So I put it on the 18 degree. So if you want to become, the coldest one, you can press the super, and this one is the alarm. If you leave the fridge open, it will give you a sound that it will keep on ringing. So yeah, so that's it. So now our fridge is working, so it's time to put all the stuff. So guys, this is the fridge I bought. It's a really good brand. So yeah, and I just wanted to say what I felt, that I'm really fulfilled and happy. I feel complete that I can able to buy this kind of fridge on my own money. So now it's a bigger one, so I can even stack up to the top, since I've got a lot of stuff from my for my kitchen, cooking ingredients, and food. I love food. I love stocking food, especially now that I'm buying all healthy stuff. Yeah, so I'm just being so happy, guys, that it came finally, and now it's all ready to go to grow more my channel for using this fridge for my cooking vlog. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.